The challenge: trade a toy for food. If they see it's a freebie, we don't have that authority. This store should work well for the challenge. Hey, don't get me wrong, I'm not just here for pizza. I just want to be a quiet 3D modeler. Sneak some photos here to model later. This print job goes to the PSC printer again. Printer sound effects. See? It can even print this tiny flower pot. You can totally trust the PSC with a 0.2mm nozzle. To be a child who never grows up, with a playful shell, someone to lean on, free from heavy worries. Using innocence to wipe away life's weariness. Life's journey can't be skipped. Sometimes we're tired, not knowing why we keep going. The angel that once shattered the city of inner health, meets tears with wit and just laughs it off, then hurries away. So here's the thing, I made this toy model of your store, and I'd like to trade it for some food. Oh, this isn't. Just this. We can't do this, because orders go through our computer system. There's no way around it. Are you the manager? Ah, yes, but it's monitored, so we really can't. Right, we'd have to report it to headquarters. If we place an order, if they see it's for a free item, our store doesn't have the authority. Is this challenge going to fail? This model took a whole week to make. Hey, Manager Jan is here. You should ask her. Hello, Manager Jan. They told me about it. Can I see the model? Oh, sure. Wow, did you make this yourself? Yes. Wow, the door even moves. Hey, noodles. And delivery bags. Ah, the details are amazing. I've seen similar things on TikTok before. Are you filming this? Yes, I am. I'm filming with my glasses. Remember to use a beauty filter? No problem, that's fine. This is for you guys, in exchange for some food. That's no problem at all. No problem. Where would you like to sit? I'll sit over there. Sure, that's fine. Anywhere is okay. Great. Hello, let me chime in about our classic. Is there pizza and ice cream really this much? Haven't bought or used it. Lastly, I'll give you a demo, then all is ready. Oh, okay. Thank you. Hurry up and speak. Don't say it. Upload to Tutu's MakerWorld community. Interested folks can download and print to try. No one says it.